Coding is the process of using a programming language to create software, applications, websites, and other digital tools. It involves writing instructions in a specific programming language, which are then translated by a computer into machine-readable code. The code tells the computer what to do and how to do it, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks and functions. Coding is an essential skill in today's digital age, and is used in a variety of industries, from software development and web design to finance and healthcare. Coding has a close relationship with algorithms. An algorithm is a set of steps or instructions for solving a problem or accomplishing a task. When programming, developers use algorithms to solve complex problems by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps. In coding, algorithms are used to define the logic and sequence of instructions that a program will follow. Programmers use programming languages to write code that implements these algorithms and instructs the computer to perform specific tasks. For example, a programmer might use an algorithm to sort a list of items in ascending or descending order. They would write code that follows the algorithm to perform the sorting process. Without algorithms, programming would be much more difficult and time-consuming, as developers would have to manually program every step of every process. In summary, algorithms are essential to programming, and coding is the process of using programming languages to implement these algorithms and solve complex problems. There is a strong relationship between coding and logical reasoning. Coding involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, and then using logical reasoning to develop solutions to those problems. When coding, programmers need to understand how different parts of a program interact with each other and how to troubleshoot issues that arise. They need to be able to think logically, step by step, and follow a logical sequence of instructions to create a working program. Logical reasoning is also essential in coding because programming languages have strict rules and syntax, and even small mistakes can cause a program to fail. Programmers must be able to identify and correct errors using logical reasoning to determine where the problem lies and how to fix it. Overall, coding requires strong logical reasoning skills, and developing these skills through coding can also improve logical reasoning abilities in other areas of life. There is no single type of kid who can learn coding faster than others. Coding ability is not determined by personality traits or innate abilities, but rather by a combination of factors such as interest, exposure, and practice. That being said, children who have an interest in computers, math, or problem solving may be more likely to enjoy and excel at coding. Additionally, children who are able to focus and persist on tasks for longer periods of time may be more successful at learning to code. However, it's important to note that all kids can learn to code with the right resources, support, and encouragement. It's a skill that can be developed over time with practice and patience. Coding can help improve cognitive power in several ways. Problem solving. Coding involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, and then developing solutions to those problems. This requires logical thinking, critical analysis, and creative problem-solving skills, which can help improve cognitive power. Attention to detail. Programming languages have strict rules and syntax, and even small mistakes can cause a program to fail. Therefore, coding requires a high level of attention to detail, which can help improve cognitive power and focus. Memory. Coding requires remembering syntax, code structures, and problem-solving techniques. The process of repeatedly using and recalling this information can help improve memory and retention. Persistence. Coding can be challenging and frustrating at times, and requires persistence to overcome obstacles and achieve goals. Developing a sense of persistence and determination can help improve cognitive power and problem-solving abilities. Creativity. While coding may seem like a rigid and logical process, it also requires creativity to find unique solutions to complex problems. Engaging in creative problem-solving can help improve cognitive power and expand the mind's capabilities. Overall, coding requires a wide range of cognitive skills, and engaging in this activity can help improve cognitive power in various ways. Learning to code is becoming increasingly important for students in today's world. Here are a few reasons why. 1. Job opportunities. There is a growing demand for skilled programmers in the job market. 1. Many companies are looking for individuals who have the ability to write code, as technology is becoming more and more integrated into our lives. 2. Problem-solving skills. Coding teaches students how to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. 2. This helps to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills that can be applied in many areas of life. 3. Creativity. Coding is a creative process that allows students to use their imagination and creativity to build new things. 3. It encourages them to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to problems. 4. Computational thinking. Learning to code helps students develop computational thinking skills. 4. This means they learn to approach problems in a systematic way, using logical and algorithmic thinking to solve them. 5. Future-proofing. As we become increasingly reliant on technology, coding will become an essential skill for many jobs. 5. By learning to code, students are future-proofing themselves and ensuring that they have the skills needed to succeed in the digital age. Overall, learning to code is a valuable skill that can benefit students in many ways, both personally and professionally.